Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today's video ay gagawa na naman tayo ng panibagong video.
Meanwhile,
Hi guys, welcome to my
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
Hilas. So, yun pala yung bahay namin, no? Yan yung bahay namin. Yung sasakyan yan, eh. Sasakyan yan. Parang ano.
Hours later.
So guys, ito na nga si Hilas ang chismosa. Yung bahay na yan, yung ito, pasukin natin kung anong nasa loob. Kaya, let's go.
Meanwhile,
Hi guys, it's me again, Hilas Chismosa. So nandito ako nakaupo lang yan. Nakaupo lang yung chismosa na Hilas, and while waiting tayo sa mga gagawain doon sa loob. So magchika muna tayo, no? So yun yung front pala na tinitik. Yan yung highway. Yan yung highway. So wala. Ganito yung mga tao dito. Sasakyan. Highway na kasi yan dyan, eh. Yan. So, ganito yung mga tao dito na parang halos parang nag-i-enjoy na lang sila dito sa labas kasi parang hindi sila makapanatili sa loob. Parang naboboard yung mga kaluluwa nila, kaya lipad kung saan mag picnic katulad nito. Ito yung tinatawag na daycare, yung naalala nyo yung mga OFW na may mga ginagawang masama na basta na lang itapon yung mga simpleng bagay para sa kanila. Ito yun, yung wala kang makikita, tent lang, wala kang bahay makikita, makikita mo sa giliran puro mga dagat, makikita mo sa giliran puro mga hindi mo tubhangin, lupa to siya, brown na lupa. Kaya wala, ganito lang kasimple. Tapos okay na sila ng ganito, masaya na sila. Tsaka kasi dito, ang nakakaano kasi dito sa ibang bansa magbanding sila, coffee, tapos kain, yung nila, yun lang. Hindi katulad sa atin na pag nagpi-picnic tayo, nandun yung kantahan, nandun yung medyo something, iinom nga ng medyo mga alak-alak para masyado kang mag-alert o hyper, at nandun din yung mga sayawan. Dito hindi masyado kasi yun lang, natutuwa na sila sa ganito. Yung pupunta sila sa farm, makikita nila yung mga hayop, pupunta sila ng dagat, masaya na sila nun, as in masaya na. Tapos magtapok-tapok sila, puro mga relatives. Tapos ikaw naman siyempre, diba, sunod pa lang sunod, at makikita mo, at least na-experience mo kung ano ang buhay ng OFW ng Middle East kasama yung mga amo mo. So yun lang naman. And this video is very balang araw o mapupuntang isang memories na lang din to na experience ko dito. Yun yung gusto kong kaya lahat ng pinupuntahan ko kinuwanan ko ng video, at makikita ko na lang to bilang hanggang sa pagtanda ko na ito yung memories ko, at ano man ang mapuntahan sa aking buhay, ito ay masishare ko. So, yun lang, and don't forget to like, share, comments para updated ka sa aking mga video, at huwag mong kalimutan pindutin ang bell button para hindi ka mahuhuli at laging ma-update ka sa aking mga videos. Simple lang naman mga videos ko, pang chismosa, pang updated, at yung hindi mo pa nakikita na nasa malayo. Kaya ano pa nga natin, bye bye.